from Louisiana's home team. This is Fox 8 News at 6 a.m.
New Orleans will become one of the first cities in the U.S. to use some new mobile health technology to fight type 2 diabetes. And joining us right now is Nebeyou Abebe and John McGinnis, both here to tell us more about this. Good morning and welcome, guys.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Well, let's start specifically with this mobile program. How does it work?
So what we're going to be doing is promoting a call to action. So people will be asked to text the word health to a short code 300-400 to enroll into the program. Once they're enrolled, they'll take a free diabetes risk assessment to find out whether they're at high risk or low risk for type 2 diabetes. Once they're aware of their status, they'll be linked to care, provided with health information and tips, and asked to set weight and weight loss goals that they'll be tracked over the course of the 14-week intervention.
So is this something that will require, I mean, if there's somebody in the inner city who may not have a phone or a text, I mean, how would they try to access this program?
Well, there'll be billboards all across the city. There's also be radio public service announcements, and we're working closely with a number of our community-based organization partners to help promote and raise awareness about the initiative. And so all of those individuals and all those advertisements will be promoting the same call to action. Text the word health, H-E-A-L-T-H, to 300-400. They can also access the program from the website Txt4health. That's Txt4health.com, and they can also enroll into the program that way as well.
And the long-term objective with doing this is to get someone in the program, and how does it help them long-term? Like, let's just say if I were to sign up and get involved with this.
Sure. Well, just to give you some background, in Greater New Orleans, and this program is being piloted in Greater New Orleans as well as two other beacon community cities in Cincinnati and Detroit. But just in Greater New Orleans, 6 out of 10 adult residents are at risk for type 2 diabetes. And so we're trying to use this new means of reaching them to raise their personal risk, help them better understand type 2 diabetes, and hopefully link those individuals who become aware of their status to care so they can get the treatment that they need to curb the diabetes epidemic. So
it's something that will be driving through different communities to, like, educate them on this?
Absolutely. So we've been working very closely with Blue Cross Blue Shield, which is one of our, which is our founding sponsor, as well as we created a Txt4health Community Advisory Board, which is comprised of faith-based organizations, social service organizations, health associations, and a number of community influencers and trusted voices that we've identified through our formative research process. And they've helped develop the plan for the launch event, as well as helped inform the message and creative development process.
Can you tell me, Mr. McGinnis, how Blue Cross is playing a role in this, and what part do you play?
We are a private sector partner, and we're contributing sweat equity, some financial support, as Nebeyou said, communications, messaging, that sort of thing. It fits nicely with our corporate mission of improving the lives and the health of Louisianans. So we're excited to be partners.
And will you be playing a role in, like, providing them with the resources for the mobile setup? Is it just one that's going to be available?
Primarily in communicating this effort, getting the word out. That's been our main function as a partner.
What are exactly, for those who don't understand, type 2 diabetes, the symptoms? How would you know if you're experiencing that?
Well, see, that's the challenge, because diabetes is a silent killer. And so, unfortunately, a lot of people who are uninsured, unfortunately, many African Americans and communities of color are disproportionately impacted by type 2 diabetes. And so this new way of reaching them, leveraging the power of new mobile health technology, is a way for us to cost efficiently and effectively reach those vulnerable, traditionally hard to reach populations. And just to provide you some additional background, this is part of, Txt4health is part of a broader initiative under the Crescent City Beacon Community Program, which the Louisiana Public Health Institute is running. And so that broader CCBC initiative is trying to improve the quality of care by leveraging health information technology to improve population-level health outcomes.
You've got a launch tomorrow?
We do have a big launch tomorrow. We've been working closely with Blue Cross Blue Shield and some of our other partners to launch this campaign, officially launch the campaign. We have a full run of show. It's going to be a full health expo.
Where will it be taking place?
It's going to be at the Hyatt Regency downtown. It's going to be from 12 to 5. We're going to be validating parking so people can come and they don't have to worry about parking downtown. I know it's kind of difficult to find parking, but we have a great lineup. We have the Secretary of Health, Bruce Greenstein. We also have Dr. Karen DeSalvo. We have the CEO of Blue Cross Blue Shield, Mike Wrights, Dr. Corey Abebe, who is the people's doctor, and several other.
Is this a place tomorrow where people can come who would like to participate?
Absolutely, yes. Yes, it's certainly
if you don't have
open.
a phone to text, I mean, if you need to get there, that would be the way to find out.
That's exactly right. Come and learn more about it.
Okay, thank you both so much for coming in. Appreciate it.